In a world where the digital frontier is expanding at a rapid speed, where cybersecurity threats loom like dark clouds, and technology is the sunshine that breaks through, the birth of digital cybertech was inevitable. Digital cybertech was conceived from the sheer need to understand and navigate this complex digital terrain. Its mission? To enlighten, inform, and equip every digital explorer with the tools and knowledge they need to thrive in this ever-evolving technological landscape. Digital cybertech is the ultimate destination for all things digital, cybersecurity, and technology. It's a place where the latest trends and innovations are not just explored, but dissected and understood. Here, challenges are not feared, but seen as opportunities for growth and learning. It's a place where even the most complex tech concepts are decoded and served up in a way that is digestible and relatable. But what sets digital cybertech apart is its approach to learning. There's a belief that threads through every video. Learning doesn't have to be dull. Each piece of content is infused with humor, creativity, and interactive elements. It's not just about understanding the subject matter, but enjoying the journey of discovering it. Digital cybertech is more than just a YouTube channel. It's a vibrant community of fellow digital explorers, a place where we embark on exciting adventures through the ever-evolving world of technology, a place where we crack codes, debunk myths, and unravel the mysteries of cybersecurity together. With digital cybertech, you're not just watching a video, you're embarking on a journey where learning has never been so fun. So come dive into this world of digital, cybersecurity, and technology with digital cybertech. After all, the digital frontier is vast and full of wonders, and there's so much to explore.